Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. Hi, my name is Gary Christian, serving the dealership since 1981. What a great ride, and I'm having a ball. Today we're going to highlight a Northwood product, an Arctic Fox 28F. An awesome unit. Come on inside and let's take a look around. Very solid step. This is a nice improvement on the normal steps. It's an option. This is an opposing slide out with a center island. But let's dash back here in the back. So we have a nice corner shower with a glass door. Nice medicine cabinet. Solid surface countertops throughout. There's your sink, and get out of your way. You got storage down below, and big storage here in the back. Here's all your owner's packet information. Plenty of room for the toilet. Got enough leg room. You do have a nice big drawer full extension, solid wood with high-grade plywood, and then you have a big closet. Here's your nice deep closet in the bathroom. Great hanging space and a drawer down below. Loaded with storage. Nice big pantry area. But let's go around the corner and then we've got more. This is just loaded. A lot of storage. More storage down below. Circuit breakers and fuses, and they're not down on the floor or clear up towards the ceiling. Norcold Refrigerator, it's the kind that we have on ours. Nice big refrigerator. So it got an automatic, so if you have an electric and it goes out, it'll switch over to propane and back to electric when it comes back on. Nice deep freezer compartment, so if you did have something melt, it's not going to run over the top and down below. Okay, so we've got storage here on the end of your cabinets, which is in a nice little space that you can put things down in here to pop out of the way. Yes, that's where your garbage goes. The garbage can's right down below. Drop everything in here. When you get done, you open up the door, pull the can out, you're good to go. Nice faucet. Again, solid surface countertops, recessed sink. I got a real big side and a small side. You have great storage down below. Let me show you the drawers while you're here. Nice big deep drawers, full extensions, plenty of room. Electrical outlet, good cabinet storage, convection microwave. Isn't that a nice feature? That way you can bake in both spots, your propane oven or your upgraded cooktop. Down here at this end, I've opened this up as well because there's one on both ends, and I wanted to make sure that you saw that. Freestanding dinette, very popular. It's got an extender to run the table out. That way, when you go to seat your 4 people, you can move these out, give a little bit of room, and when you're done with that, you can slide everything back in. Flashing light shows that there's a solar panel already mounted on the roof air, so you do have a solar panel to help trickle charge your battery system, and outside I'll show you where you can hook an additional panel because it's already pre-wired. Thomas Paine furniture, recliners. These will turn on and keep it warm or cold. You've got storage up on top all the way across through here. for putting games in, etc. Very nice features of Fireplace. I've had a lot of people look at me and say, Gary, really? I said, well, if you've got electric power, you don't have to run your propane, and that'll help save you money. And they kind of get the idea. Control panels right here for your slide out, your electric awning, and all your power levels. There you can put a DVR if you wanted. TV does swing around from the bedroom into the main living area, and those pop into the bedroom. It's got 2 entries, so everybody can get in on their side. Over here we've got a flip up. There's a laundry chute down below in this compartment here. Let me see if I can get, so there's your laundry chute. Got drawers on both sides, electrical outlets, USB ports. Got a short shirt closet over here and a long one on that side. You've got plenty of space up on the front of the unit to put your cell phones and stuff, and to have an electrical outlet and chargers. Good storage up above. And this is a real mattress. This is a high-grade mattress. Let me lift this up, as we do have storage underneath, as you can see. It's got an Arctic Fox welcome mat, some chairs that go along with it, and a little safe. It's got strong cylinders to keep that up. Fantastic fan up above. Skylight both in the bedroom and in the kitchen, which is very nice to bring in some ambient light. So when it's starting to get dark out, you don't have to turn all the lights on as soon. It's got a nice release handle and keep the bugs out, which is a very nice feature. There's no latch for the door because they crimp the hinge, so the wind just can't blow this around. It's a very nice feature. And again, the solid step, adjustable to the ground. You can move the legs around if need be. Electric power jacks on all 4 stabilizer jacks. Controls are right here. This is your little magnet that'll hold the slam latch door in the up position. Big storage area in here. Battery disconnect over here. Very important feature. That way you don't run your battery down. Twin 7-gallon tanks up front. We fill them. It's got a spot for 2 batteries. We provide that. Electric tongue jack with a little light. Got LEDs up front. Now this is a solid gel cap. It's got a rhino lining down below, so if you're going down the road, and trust me, going down the road you're going to have rocks and stuff hit this. This is going to deflect that and be good for a very long time. Another control for stabilizer on this side. Water fill, city water fill, the other side of your entrance. Solar ready right here. Put your little panel out and plug it in, and you got more solar panel. We got it all fit in here. It's pretty tight. Stabilizer jacks on the rear of the control, black water flush, LED light, satellite cable ready. That's your intake and exhaust for your furnace, outdoor shower. Now this is a true 4-season unit. Everything's heated, enclosed, and insulated. So your termination valves are up inside. They're not going to freeze. So as long as you have 12 volts and propane, you can have this bad boy out in 0-degree weather and you'll be toasty warm and not freeze up. Ladder on the back, I suggest you don't use it. We have our customers that come in every 6 months. We do a free seam inspection at no charge. That way, don't get up on the roof, you might fall. To mention the electric awning, outdoor speakers, and here is a big storage area. Big storage area. You can put a lot of stuff out here. Plates, etc. Toys. Now, I realize you might have a question or two. Just call me direct. I'd be happy to help you. You can call me at 541-554-9581. I appreciate you taking the time to look at my video and look forward to talking with you. Have a good day.